Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH, $6,500, Mountain City, Tennessee. The 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH captures the unmistakable spirit of classic American touring with its timeless styling and commanding V-twin presence. While retaining its vintage character, this example has been thoughtfully upgraded with modern performance components for an even more enjoyable riding experience. According to the seller, the motorcycle features an 80 cubic inch Evolution crate engine, S&S carburetor, Ultima 6-speed transmission, Screamin' Eagle components, and custom metallic paint. Additional upgrades include LED lighting, electronic ignition, and a custom seat. For riders seeking a unique Harley that blends classic looks with modern reliability, this FLH stands out. Number 2. 1965 BSA Thunderbolt 650, $6,500, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The 1965 BSA Thunderbolt 650 is a classic British twin admired for its simple engineering, smooth performance, and timeless styling. BSA's Thunderbolt models continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate authentic vintage motorcycles with strong historical appeal. The seller states that the motorcycle runs and comes with a clean Wisconsin title, although the battery will need to be charged or replaced before riding. While detailed history is limited, it presents a solid opportunity for collectors looking to own a classic British machine. For fans of vintage BSA motorcycles, this Thunderbolt is well worth a look. Number 3. 1973 Norton Commando 850, $6,800, Simpsonville, South Carolina. The 1973 Norton Commando 850 is one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, renowned for its powerful parallel twin engine, distinctive styling, and innovative isoelastic frame system. Matching numbers examples remain highly desirable among collectors and riders alike. This roadster model is described as running and riding exceptionally well while benefiting from new isoelastics, fork seals, a Boyer electronic ignition, and an upgraded master cylinder. With its matching numbers and well-maintained condition, this Commando offers an excellent opportunity to own a true British icon. Number 4. 1973 BMW R75/5, $5,000, Baldwin, Michigan. The 1973 BMW R75/5 is a legendary airhead, known for its dependable boxer engine, smooth performance, and comfortable touring manners. Its timeless design and proven reliability continue to make it one of BMW's most respected vintage motorcycles. The seller describes this example as very clean, dependable, and smooth to ride, while also delivering excellent fuel economy. Its well-kept condition makes it an appealing choice for riders who want a classic motorcycle that's ready to enjoy. For enthusiasts seeking a reliable vintage BMW, this R75/5 is an excellent option. Number 5. 1970 Triumph TR6C, $9,800, Hanover, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Triumph TR6C is a classic British single-carb twin celebrated for its rugged versatility and unmistakable vintage character. Restored examples remain highly sought after by enthusiasts who appreciate traditional Triumph styling and dependable performance. According to the seller, this motorcycle has received a full restoration and runs, shifts, and performs properly. It also comes with a title, making it ready for its next owner to enjoy. For collectors looking for a beautifully restored Triumph, this TR6C is a standout example. Number 6. 1975 Suzuki GT750, $3,600, Wadsworth, Ohio. The 1975 Suzuki GT750 is one of the most iconic Japanese two-strokes ever built, earning the nickname Water Buffalo as Japan's first mass-produced water-cooled motorcycle. Its smooth triple-cylinder engine and distinctive character continue to make it a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller explains that this GT750 was fully rebuilt before later receiving replacement parts following a garage fire, with the engine remaining unharmed. It also features new tires, a rare straighter 3-in-1 exhaust, a clean title, and the option to purchase a large collection of spare parts. For collectors seeking a rare and enjoyable classic Suzuki, this GT750 is an excellent opportunity. Number 7. 1967 BSA Shooting Star, $4,250, Asheville, North Carolina. The 1967 BSA Shooting Star is a classic British twin, admired for its lightweight feel, dependable performance, and timeless styling. Models like the Shooting Star continued to appeal to enthusiasts who appreciate traditional British motorcycles with strong vintage character. The seller has listed this motorcycle with multiple photos and is accepting reasonable offers. Its classic appearance and straightforward presentation make it an attractive option for anyone looking to add a vintage BSA to their collection. For riders who enjoy authentic British classics, this Shooting Star is worth considering. Number 8. 1976 Honda GL1000 Goldwing, $5,000, Prospect Hill, North Carolina. The 1976 Honda GL1000 Goldwing helped redefine long-distance motorcycling with its smooth flat-4 engine, outstanding reliability, and innovative engineering. Early Goldwings remain highly respected for their comfort, durability, and growing collector appeal. According to the seller, this example has received extensive mechanical and cosmetic restoration, including fresh original-style paint, rebuilt carburetors, new timing belts, water pump, stainless exhaust, tires, battery, and many additional components. Complete with the factory toolkit and original owner's manual, this GL1000 is ready for many more miles of enjoyment. Number 9. 1970 Norton Commando, $4,500, Appling, Georgia. The 1970 Norton Commando is one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, known for its strong parallel twin engine, distinctive styling, and innovative ice-elastic frame design. Matching numbers examples continue to be highly valued by collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller reports that this Commando runs and rides great while retaining matching engine and frame numbers, fiberglass bodywork, and a Mikuni carburetor. A few extra parts are also included with the sale. For buyers looking to own a true British classic, this Norton is a rewarding opportunity. Number 10. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,700, North Canton, Ohio. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650 is a well-balanced classic known for its dependable 4-cylinder engine, sporty handling, and excellent customization potential. Modified examples often showcase the creativity of their builders while preserving the KZ's strong performance heritage. This one-of-a-kind custom features an upgraded 750cc engine, extended swing arm, custom rear wheel, modern front end, and new Pirelli sport tires. The seller notes that it runs great and delivers strong performance on the road. For enthusiasts searching for a unique vintage Kawasaki with custom character, this KZ650 certainly stands apart. Number 11. 1972 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 XLCH, $4,500, Silver Spring, Maryland. The 1972 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 XLCH is a classic ironhead that embodies the raw character and unmistakable style of early Harley-Davidson performance. Old-school chopper builds based on the XLCH remain highly popular thanks to their mechanical simplicity and timeless custom appeal. According to the seller, this hardtail chopper runs well and features custom metal flake paint, a custom seat, Dyna S electronic ignition, nearly new tires, and both electric and kickstart. While it has a few typical ironhead quirks, including a minor oil leak and a damaged kicker cover, it offers a solid foundation for anyone seeking a genuine vintage Harley chopper. Number 12. 1972 Yamaha R5C, $2,250, Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1972 Yamaha R5C is a classic two-stroke twin celebrated for its lightweight performance, responsive handling, and unmistakable exhaust note. Models like the R5 helped establish Yamaha's reputation for building exciting small-displacement sport motorcycles during the early 1970s. The seller reports that this motorcycle starts on the first kick, runs well, and benefits from a rebuilt engine with new pistons. All lights are functioning, and it comes with a title in hand. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage two-stroke, this Yamaha R5C is an appealing option. Number 13. 1989 BMW 100, $5,200, Madisonville, Tennessee. The 1989 BMW 100 represents the final evolution of BMW's legendary Airhead series, combining proven boxer twin reliability with comfortable long-distance touring capability. These motorcycles continue to be highly respected for their durability and timeless engineering. According to the seller, this 100 is in excellent condition with more than $5,000 invested in recent maintenance and upgrades. It also features new tires and is described as running perfectly. For buyers searching for a well-maintained vintage BMW, this 100 is a strong contender. Number 14. 1982 Honda CB650 SC Nighthawk, $2,700, Dayton, Ohio. The 1982 Honda CB650 SC Nighthawk is a dependable inline-four motorcycle known for its smooth performance, comfortable riding position, and everyday reliability. Its user-friendly nature has made it a favorite among both new riders and experienced enthusiasts for decades. The seller states that this motorcycle runs and rides well while receiving recent maintenance that includes rebuilt carburetors, refreshed brakes, a new fuel petcock, replacement fuel hoses, and newer tires. With its reliable condition and easygoing character, this CB650 SC is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a classic Honda. Number 15. 1983 Honda Goldwing, $1,000, Douglasville, Georgia. The 1983 Honda Goldwing continued Honda's reputation for building durable and comfortable touring motorcycles with smooth, flat-four performance. Even project examples remain popular thanks to their dependable engineering and excellent restoration potential. The seller notes that the motorcycle only needs a replacement starter solenoid to get it running and also includes a windshield, saddlebags, and a clean title. With a modest repair and useful accessories already included, this Goldwing offers an affordable entry into classic touring ownership. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Which owner-offered classic was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.